This video, we're going to cover how to integrate WishList member with Drip. Now, Drip's a little bit different because it's one of these sort of email automation, marketing automation setups. So they're actually kind of a two-way go with it. The interaction from WishList member to Drip, but also from Drip to WishList member. So we're going to try and go through all of this. If you're familiar with Drip, this will probably make sense to you. But to get started in WishList member, go Setup, Integrations, and then we'll go Email Providers. You'll see Drip on the list. Just go ahead and click it. So the first thing that we need to do with Drip and WishList member is just get the two systems talking back and forth to one another. So as I mentioned, it's sort of a two-way go. Most of the time, WishList member just interacts with the email provider, but in the case of Drip, Drip can also talk to WishList member. So first thing we'll do is we'll get the API token from Drip and put it into WishList member. So we'll hit configure. It'll ask us for the API token. To find that inside your Drip account, just go to user settings, and at the bottom you'll see your API token. So just go ahead, copy that and paste that in here, and we'll hit save or save and close. And now it'll ask you to select an account. So select the account that you want to use if you have multiple accounts. Now you'll see it has WishList member API information. So the token is so we can send data to Drip. The API information is so Drip can send data to us. Okay, so first thing we'll do is we'll just go ahead and copy the WordPress URL here. We'll head back to Drip, and to find where to enter this, we'll actually go back to the home here. And you'll find it under integrations right here. So we'll go ahead and click integrations. Scroll down, then you'll see WishList member here, and you'll see the site URL. So we'll go ahead and paste that in, and then you'll see it needs the API key. So we'll go ahead and paste that in, and then we'll hit save credentials. And so now the two can talk. We have Drip's token to talk to them, and they have our API information to talk to us. And so you'll see here, right here on step 2, it actually says you can set up automation. So you can create a trigger in the workflow or basic rule, choose WishList member as the provider, then select a specific event you'd like to trigger an action in Drip. So when something happens inside of, you see which event should trigger this automation. You see you can select a WishList member, you can select the event, so add it to level, and you can select which membership level, and that will become a trigger for you inside of Drip, and then you can do all sorts of different things with that. If you come over here back to WishList member, once you've entered and configured this and you go to actions, you'll now see a list of levels, and you'll see sort of similar settings in that, when someone is added to this level, we can fire an add event to Drip. We can apply tags when they're canceled. We can fire an event, apply tags when they're re-registered, when they're removed, etc. So there are things that you can do in WishList member to fire events and apply tags in Drip. There are things that you can do in Drip to tag different trigger events, things that happen inside WishList member that you can sort of latch onto and do different things inside of your Drip account. So it really comes down to what you want to do. The main thing is get the two set up so that now you can select WishList member as one of the things that you can trigger actions off of inside of Drip. So that's integrating WishList member with Drip.